Have you ever had this happen? Your squad has over 13 million CP, yet you lose to someone with just 5 million CP. It doesn't make sense at first. How can your CP be more than double but still lose the fight? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we're breaking down the CP trick in Palmon Survival, a tactic widely used to trick opponents during defense. By the end of this video, you'll understand how the trick works, how to use it, and most importantly, how to break it. Let's get started. 1 versus 5. In many games, spreading your resources across all heroes gives better results. But in Palmon Survival, the exact opposite works. If you put all your resources into a single Palmon, like Ninjump, that one maxed Palmon can wipe out 5 average ones. For example, your opponent has one max Ninjump with 4 weak Palmons. You challenge them with 5 average Palmon with 2 to 4 stars. On paper, your CP looks higher. But when the fight starts, the opponent's Ninjump will survive until the end and kill off your team one by one. Your Palmons are barely making a scratch on the max Ninjump, even on 5 versus 1. That's the first mistake most players make, spreading power evenly. You should focus on one Palmon at a time, like spending all Omni tokens to ascend Ninjump to 5 stars as quickly as possible. Only upgrade the next Palmon once you've maxed the first one. The end goal is to have 5 maxed Palmons, but that takes a lot of time. Whales can buy their way there instantly, but if you're free to play, focus step by step. Besides, you must also prioritize its equipment to the highest level. For example, you spend all Temporite on Ninjump equipment up to level 60, while others are at level 30. Choose the candidates with evolution potential like Ninjump or Spark Plug. Don't start from Palmons without evolution, such as Fingenu or Surveillance. Evolution and talent stages add significant stats to the Palmon, and the best thing is that the opponent can't see your evolution progress. It's like a hidden power that often catches players off guard. When you reach stage 4 evolution, consider holding back the unlock. Because once your Palmon evolves, its appearance changes. That signals your opponent that you're hiding strength, and they might avoid fighting you. If you're buying a bundle in Palmon Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. The CP trick. Here's how the tactic works. CP is supposed to measure squad strength, but in Palmon Survival, it's misleading. That makes it the perfect bait. Instead of deploying your 5 strongest Palmons, you deploy your 1 maxed Palmon with 4 weak ones. Your squad CP drops dramatically, but that doesn't matter. The weak Palmons don't contribute much to battle anyway. Other players see your low CP and think you're an easy target, but your single max Palmon destroys their entire team in the fight. This trick is handy in the early game. How to break? So, how do you beat someone using this strategy? The answer is simple. You must have a maxed Palmon too. Once you have your maxed Palmon, the opponent's weakness is exposed. Remember, they only have one powerhouse. You can bring your maxed Palmon plus 4 decent teammates. That extra power is enough to overwhelm their lone carry and weak fillers. Your chances of winning are slim if you don't have one maxed Palmon yet. If you see a squad with 1 5-star Palmon, 4 weak ones, and low CP, that's a clear sign of a CP trick user. Don't fall into the trap. Skip it. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.